Okay, so let's encrypt a folder in my Raspberry Pi using a shell script. So first, let's SSH into my Raspberry Pi, which is 192.168.107. This is the IP address. Hopefully it's right. Yep, and then my password. Okay, so now I'm able to access the terminal of my Raspberry Pi through my Mac just for verification. Yeah, so right here I have written a shell script, which you can just see over here. This is the shell script which actually uses AES encryption, AES algorithm to encrypt or decrypt a folder. Okay, so let's exit from here first, and let's compile it first. enc.sh, and but before that, let's create some data to encrypt. Downloads. We have nothing over here right now. Let's make it test, and txt. If this stays here, it's working fine. Okay, let's come back and run this shell scripting file. I haven't installed it yet, but it can work directly from here. So if I run it, it asks me to I have to encrypt or decrypt. So I will press ENC for the encryption, because yeah, and I have to give a password first, because without password it will not perform any sort of encryption or decryption. So I'll give it a password, path to the folder, downloads, and test. I think it should work, and I'll keep it there also, which is says test.enc. Okay, so according to this, something has done over here. Okay, downloads. So there is a file created, test.enc, encrypted file, and to test it that it can be decrypted also, I will remove the test folder which I created. So rmrf test removed. Come back from here, and I'll again run the my shell script, and right now I'll say decrypt. Now the same password I entered while performing encryption, path to the encrypted file, so it is downloads test.enc. hopefully it's right, and I'll give it another thing like downloads for the decrypted folder. Hopefully it's right also, and then decryption is complete. Downloads, and okay, there's another folder created like downloads. Okay, I'll go into that. There's a test folder, cool, and then let's see what's inside of that test folder. If this stays here, it's working fine, and it is working fine. So that's how it works. I have exited from my Raspberry Pi, and that is it.